Sapphire Builders and Associates is an organization that believes in fulfilling corporate social responsibility and has taken some measures to ensure its implications. In our project Oak Vista Luxury Service Apartments located in Murray, we have taken a few initiatives including conservation of nature. The whole project is surrounded by greenery, including pine trees that adds on to the serenity of the place. Despite the modernistic touch to its architecture, it is ensured that the construction activity do not harm these natural reservoirs. To know more about the CSR measures, stay connected.